The material is so nice and fresh. This is my favorite thing about new clothes, is how new they feel. And these, all the way from Invercargill. Gotta find a way to be able to button it up. There we go. So this would be a really good present for anyone that works in a workshop or anyone's girlfriend. The wife of a tool man. Well, they look like this, and they're bloody comfy. All the logos, our friends.
Need your safety glasses on again, Sam. And your earmuffs, actually. Jeez. So I'll give you a minute to get yourself organised.
Yeah, the earmuffs have to go on first, otherwise the glasses go from.
This could go terribly wrong. Hey! Nearly. Stick that on there. It's all yours. So it's Erica.
Yeah, bad handwriting.
Shit, my handwriting's terrible because I got told off, you see, for doing my old style. You know when you do
Looks like it says brick O.
So that's my joined up, and my teacher's like, "We gotta read that." Yeah. So now it's like, look, Eric. Okay. And nice one, posh Yamaha one as well. They break when you drop them on the floor. All right, cool. Easy. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. Just come out when you finish, yeah?
Yeah.
Chill. It's all good.
Tool Girl Sam here. Hello to Eric O videos. Apparently you're a lot better than Andy is, so maybe you should come over here and teach me some stuff. And he tells me that Hannah is your favorite tool girl. What about Sam? Sick Sam. She comes in sick. She's always there. Is it too much clothes? Is it because I wear too much clothes? Should I be in a bikini more often, maybe? Who knows? So, I've been told you would do a lot better job at fixing my car than Andy does. He keeps putting it off. He hasn't done it. It's been about a month. I'm due to get my stuff done again. And I'm going to have to pay for a new warrant. But that's okay, I guess that's how it goes. But yeah, maybe you'd be able to do that for me. You'd be a bit more efficient. Andy just wants to upload videos. So that's about all it is. My hair looks like crap. I'm very sick. Sorry. Okay. Bye, Eric.
And what I'll do is I'll go and get a torque wrench and we'll talk.
I'm pulling myself towards it.
Yeah. Right, I'll talk it up. No worries. Yeah. Easy. Good job.
Thanks.
Right, 19, wasn't it? Oh, you can stay there a minute. All right. 19. What have we got?
I have grease on my forehead. No!
All right, chaps, it's lunchtime for me and Sam, so we'll see you next time. Cheers. Over and out. Good job, Sam. Coolio. Right, so chicken tikka masala pie. Is that right?
Yeah. I mean, if they didn't have it, then a butter chicken one's fine, but other than that, I'd rather not. It's just weird, like, they've changed it slightly, so I think it's less, less curry, it's more just chunky.
I'll just lift
Wrong
it.
side.
I'll get you out of sight.
Stuck down.
Right, I can hang over the back actually. I'll hold the bolts. So you need to come this way a bit, Sam. That's it. Yeah, that'll work. So if you just bring it maybe down like that. Oh, that's where the text is going to go, isn't it? Shit, it's so complicated.
Wait, I can like tippy toe for it.
Okay.
I'll show you. I just never thought this would be so hard.
I'll get out of shot because it gives you more room to play with. It's only that top corner there, basically where my cap is now. That works. That works. And if you can lift it up a bit more. In fact, I can always come down a bit because we're losing a bit of screen up there, aren't we? Anyway, how's that? That's probably better.
My stomach's making noises.
That's all right. That works. There you go. Do your thing.
I don't know what angle looks best.
Yeah, Sam, that's for you.
What?
Right, you used the torque wrench before, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, plenty of time. So you pop that on. I'll act as your anchor point. I'll hold your wheels for you.
Yeah.
And if you pop it on, then pull it towards you. It should go click when it's the right tension. That's it. It works like a ratchet, so you're right.
Pull it towards me.
Yeah, and it'll go click. Go on, you're right. I've got you. There you go. That's it. Done. Perfect. I think you're about there, weren't you?
Yep.
Great stuff. Right, back to the bench, Sam. Don't bang your head every time. You get lunch down in front again. I'll take you anyway. Right then, crew.
Hi, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic channel.
That was a perfect trial run. I shouldn't have said anything. I'm going to keep quiet next time. Hang on then. Can you just... I just want to use... I might actually use that as the thumbnail. Can you just sort of stand sort of really quite close to your face so I can get you...
Put your face on it.
Put your face on it, go. Actually, on that side better, because that's... I'm not filming the whole thing. See if you can get a head a bit closer, then I can use that. Oh, that'll work. I'll zoom out a bit. There we are. That works. That works. It'll fall off in a minute. You're right. Go on, go again. Just do one more as well. I'm trying to frame it. Okay, one more. I've got it framed now. Cool, that'll do. Excellent. Oh no, it's just the pipe, so we've got to use some pliers, but hang on, I'm not even set up yet. Man, this is a rusty old thing, isn't it? Okay, so under here, Sam, is the fuel line to the carburetor. So we've got to remove that next. So you get your little long nose pliers and sort of grip the line when it's on that hard bit underneath the fuel tap. Yeah, give it a good sort of squish and then just try and break it free from the...
Another angle.
Yeah, I never ends. I'm sure I'm getting more picky when I'm filming now than I used to do. I used to just go to this be able to film for like 5 minutes. I suppose when you're doing on-bike stuff, you're moving around a lot more, aren't you? Have you ever driven a rear-wheel drive car?
I think so.
Stick shift, yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, well this is a very different gearbox to what we pulled apart last time. Because the one we did last time had the differential in it as well, transaxle. This one is just basically, you've got the engine here, a clutch, and then it does magic inside, and it goes out to the rear prop shaft. And that goes down to the rear diff that we pulled apart, and then it splits across to the rear wheels. So it's actually quite a simple setup. And your gear lever goes into that bit there, look. We haven't got that part, that never got given to us. You alright, Sam? Almost. Right, Sam, if you go back around there again. In fact, if you stand here, I'll go over there. I'm bigger than you, so if I go, it makes me look smaller. It's cool. All right. So, plan of attack. We need to build a circuit. So, what do we say? We said we wanted power in on 85. So we'll honk that on there like that. Look, that should work. Right, so just pull it off for a second, just so it's like you show you put the tool on it. Okay, Sam, we're going to pull off the fuel tank first. All right, so the first job is to remove this bolt at the back. Now it should be captive. And you drop that on there. Look, there you go. Give it a fire. You gonna be all right? Use 1.5 hands. Really good. Okay, got that.
The collar on this, because it's been tucked away for so long.
It rolls away, doesn't it? That's all right.
I could just pin it.
When did you get your lip pierced? I know it's been
Probably 2 years ago? More than 2 years ago.
It hurt lots.
It's the only pain that I can endure.
It hurts.
Yeah, a lot worse.
Why did I decide that?
It wasn't as bad as a tattoo because it's so quick, but I fucking hate needles. Like, I hate needles. I'm so scared of it.
I'll tell you, before we start, I'll tell you a little story. I might use this one day. I was grinding and I got a piece of metal stuck in my eye, right, in the white of my eye, fortunately. And I went to hospital and there was this ethnic gentleman, doctor, real nice chap, and he says, right, okay, what we need to do is we'll put some iodine in your eye. So he squirted it in my eye. And then they clamped my head into a metal frame on a table. Which first of all was like Einstein, that's not Einstein, Frankenstein kind of stuff, you know. And I was there and I could not move, and he then took a needle out of his top pocket, a new needle, took the end of it. And he says, I can't do the accent, he says, you need to sit really still. And I'm like, what the fuck's he gonna do, you know? And he then starts to come towards my eye with the needle, which is like one of the worst things you could ever imagine happening. And he says, oh, you'll be fine, just don't move your eye. And I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, because you'd be like, I'm gonna blink.
Yeah, blinking and like trying to get away from this needle, this really sharp point, and he's there, and he's trying to scratch this piece of metal, because it could show up with the iodine, he's trying to scratch this piece of metal out of the flesh of my eye. And I kept moving, and then it got to the point where I started moving the table, because I was like, no, get off, I'm not having this, you know?
Nope.
And in the end, he said, this is the third attempt, and he brought a couple of nurses in, and they clamped me down, and he says, if you move again, we're going to leave it in. So then, of course, he got the needle into the flesh of my eye, and I could feel him. There was no anaesthetic, nothing like that. And he was just scratch away at my eye, and I'm like, oh man, this really hurts. So from then on, we got it out, and from then on, I always wear eye protection whenever I'm grinding, or in fact, a full face mask, because even glasses aren't good enough. Okay. Here we go. Now then, crew, welcome to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, and Sam is back to help us again. She just can't keep away. This could go tragically wrong, but it might go really well. So what we're going to do is Do you want to spray the brake cleaner or do you want to crank the engine over with the drill? Do you want to spray it? Cool. And you're actually pretty good at hairspray, so I reckon this will be pretty similar. All right, so if you come around this side, and I'm going to just spray. Can you see that hole there? You're going to be spraying it into that hole. Maybe we should take the wheel off. A chicken thing.
It's like processed chicken, and it's this big, and it's $1 for a piece. It's actually really good.
Processed.
Yeah.
Good.
Well, I don't really eat red meat. I only eat chicken.
Right. Okay. Right, I'm going in. Are you ready for this? We've done we've done a few dangerous things in our times, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is going to be like. What was that on? Was that on there?
No, it was on the wheel.
On the soft tyre. You hurt yourself on the soft tyre. You're so delicate, aren't you? Gotta be very careful. My head cut off, better check. A bit towards me, not a lot, but a bit. Oh look, we've got a bit of slant going on as well.
Probably cancer, yeah.
Jesus. Okay. Right, if you stand there this time. I'm sure they'd much rather look at you than me. Okay. Right, let's go again. Go on, keep going. Right. So I'm just going to get the engine cranking.
Don't have to be like directly like in it.
No, just from about 6 inches away, but you've got to aim it down the hole. That's the trick, and the induction should draw it in. You ready?
No.
Okay. Oh, it's hot. Come on, again. Come on. It did actually cough twice, didn't it? It coughed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I kind of like the smell of it, but
It'll probably give you a headache after a while, won't it, I think?
Whoa.
We'll give it one more go, okay? Here we go. Right, perfect. That's on there, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again for us? Sorry.
This is how you do it. Clip.
Bloody good. You see, you're just a natural.
So good at explaining.
You know, in a few years' time, this will just be the Tool Girl Sam show. I won't even need to. I can be on holiday around the world, all the YouTube profits, and you can be working hard making videos for me.
Oh yeah, totally.
Perfect. Right. Right, here goes. Runs! Alright, one more.
Oh my god.
That was so cool, wasn't it? You're so surprised. Alright, let's go again. Yeah, ready? Oh, and one more. Go on, I want to hear it running. Oh, yes.
Didn't mean to trip over it. Timing.
That's alright.
Just went with it.
That's all good. Alright. And we get the flip up again.
Oh!
Really.